the money, cause I be the baddie beat. Barbie tanks, banging body beat. Everybody beat on my D. Yo, I gotta be in reality. Suck a D if you doubted me. Back in the back, back in the back, back in the back, back in the back.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am finally giving y'all an eyebrow tutorial. I have different ways that I do my eyebrows, but a technique that I just started doing is taking a black eyeliner pencil and just outlining my entire eyebrow. If you notice correctly, I'm being very light with my strokes on the eyebrow, and I'm only being darker on the ends. Then I take a brown eyeliner pencil, and that's when I start to create the fade, and I'm lighter at the beginning of the eyebrow, and then I just take the spoolie and kind of just blend everything in. Now it's time for my favorite part. I use foundation and an angle brush to shape my eyebrows. I find that this gives it more of a natural look, better than a concealer would. I'm sure if I got a concealer closer to my skin tone, it would still give that natural effect, but I just choose to use foundation. Then finally, I take a makeup wipe and just clean up around my eyebrows. I clean that area really good, and you have to be extremely careful when you do this because you don't want to wipe your eyebrow off. I almost did that a couple of times. Now I'm taking a wet wipe again and just trying to fade my eyebrow more, just so that it doesn't look boxy. And this is the part you also have to be extremely careful with, because again, you don't want to wipe off your eyebrow. And this is my eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys love the video. Like I said, it's a couple of ways that I do my eyebrows, but this is my new technique.